Ever laid eyes on an aircraft that can hunt down and destroy enemy submarines like it's a child's play? Well, meet the Boeing P-8 Poseidon, a maritime marvel born from the gutsy Boeing 737-800 civilian aircraft. Developed and produced by Boeing, this bad boy's a Swiss Army knife in the air, handling anti-submarine warfare, surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue like a pro. It took its first flight in 2009 and boasts a ferry range of a whopping 5,200 miles. Flying higher and faster, up to 41,000 feet and 563 miles per hour respectively, this Poseidon makes sure it's always first to the punch. Fitted with all the modern features you can imagine, it comes equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, including a powerful radar, magnetic anomaly detector, MAD, electro-optical infrared camera, and a digital sonobuoy processing system. It's basically got eyes and ears everywhere. It can track submarines in the darkest depths of the ocean. Powered by two CFM56-7B turbofan engines, each generating 27,300 pounds of thrust, it patrols silently above the vast ocean, capable of flying even at low altitudes with ease. Manned by a crew of 9, it's armed with torpedoes, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and other weapons, capable of deploying them with precision using rotary systems, single launchers, and even free-fall chutes. Operating seamlessly with other assets, the P-8 integrates data from all its sensors into a unified picture, allowing for efficient threat analysis and coordinated response. With the P-8 Poseidon patrolling the seas, enemy submarines stand no chance. Can you think of any other flying machine that comes close to this level of supremacy?